Hello again, everybody. We're here with another parts install from Tyrant CNC, and once again we're working on a Springfield Armory Echelon. This time we're taking a look at one of their factory flush fit 17 round magazines. The 17 round magazine is a good capacity magazine for the Springfield Armory Echelon, but we have a part from Tyrant CNC that's going to kick up the capacity of that magazine by 5 more rounds. So we're going to turn this 17 round magazine into a 22 round magazine. To start, all you need is one of your flush fit factory 17 round magazines, and then you need your Tyrant components and a simple punch. We're going to take our magazine, flip it upside down. You can see a rectangular hole through the base pad or the floor plate of this magazine, and there's the magazine spring underneath. So what we're going to do with this punch is push down into this hole. That's going to depress the magazine spring into the mag weld or into the mag body. And then once that happens, we can slide this floor plate, this base pad, off of the mag body, and we're going to retain that magazine from flying out across the room. So right now we're going to push down on that spring. We're going to give it a little push from behind. So now it's starting to slide for us. So I'm going to slide this base pad off and then capture the spring with my thumb. So we're going to hang on to this. We got the base pad off, and then we're going to gently let this spring out. So now you have your flush base pad, you have your factory spring. We're going to move these out of the way. So we don't need this spring anymore. We don't need this base pad anymore, so we're going to move this out of frame. What we do want to reuse is this top follower, the mag body, and then we're going to deploy our new spring and new base pad. So we're going to take this spring and we're going to put this into our mag body, slide this in. You can check that you put this follower in the correct orientation. Ours is installed in the correct orientation. We have that the right way. Then we have our base pad. So this extended base pad, extended in grip, extended in capacity, what we're going to do is compress the spring down into the body, and while holding it down, then we're going to slide this on and it should click into place. To assist in that, underneath here, there is a dimpled, spring-loaded dimple. You have this little dimple here that's spring-loaded, and if we need to, we'll push on this with our little punch and depress that a little bit so then we can get the magazine body to slide on and click into place. So what we're first going to do here is I'm going to press technically the top of the magazine body upside down into my gun bench here. We're going to depress this spring, and we're going to try and get this sharp sliver of the mag body to slide into this tiny groove, this little channel here in our aluminum base pad. So we're going to flip this upside down, compress it. We're going to get this upside down here. We're sliding. We have it started. We're almost there. So now we're going to push it just that extra 1/4 inch, that extra little bit, so it clicks into place. We're going to try and listen for that. Get that to wiggle. And there it just popped and clicked into place. So now we have great spring tension on our follower. The base pad can't move. That's locked into place. If we want to disassemble this magazine so we can clean it, revert it back to normal, if you just want to go backwards and disassemble this, you can simply push down on the spring-loaded dimple. There's a place machined out here by us, Tyrant. So if you ever want to do that, you can press on that. Otherwise, the magazine as it sits, you just turned your 17 round flush fit factory magazine from Springfield Armory into a 22 round magazine. This is more aesthetically pleasing, it gives you more dexterity and grip while shooting, and of course, you get more lead down range. As always, if you need any other components for your firearms, make sure to check out www.tyrantcnc.com, and we'll see you again next time.